Hi guys, sorry to bother your Monday evening, but we have some big news. As you know, we're up here in Scotland still. Still.
Cold, freezing
Woohoo!
cold. Stood next to this beautiful lot and this surrounding of Fort William.
It's gorgeous. We've been contacted by the Scottish Motorhome and Caravan Show that's happening up here in Scotland in Glasgow on the 1st to the 4th of February.
Which is just end of this week.
Yeah, very, very quick. Now it's Monday today. We're going to set a competition because the lovely people have given us 5 pairs of tickets.
For 2 people, isn't it?
Yeah, for 2 people each. So one couple will get 2 tickets, and I've got 5 sets of tickets to give away. Now you can attend any day you want to, which is Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. There's going to be loads there. You can go onto their socials and find out what's happening.
All the details are in the description below.
Yeah, and if you want to come and meet us, we'll be there every day. We will probably do an announcement of where we're going to be at what time. The result of this competition is going to be going out on Wednesday at 8 p.m. So you've got from now till Wednesday at 8 p.m. to enter. What we want you to do is put in the comments below the word Scotland.
Scotland, capital or lowercase, it doesn't matter.
As long as it just says Scotland, nothing else.
But you can also put in the comments along with that tag word, reason why you love Scotland so much.
Yeah, just like we do. We don't want to leave here, do we?
No.
Anyway, so yeah, you put in there Scotland, and we will be doing a random picker on Wednesday for 5 lots of you to fetch your nearest and dearest and come to the show and enjoy it with us.
Yeah, make sure you can attend on the 1st to the 4th of February.
Now, besides writing Scotland, you must be subscribed to this channel. And once you've subscribed, give us a like on this video, as well as your comment saying Scotland. I need you to go to @Caravan Show SEC, find that on Instagram and follow them as well.
Yeah.
That's all you've got to do. It's dead easy.
And you might even win.
Well, fingers crossed, and we'll see you there on Thursday, Friday, Saturday or Sunday. So like I said, the results of this competition will be aired on this channel on Wednesday at 8 p.m. So tune in then, find out if you're a winner.
So for now, we'll leave you with this stunning view just near Fort William.